Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to learn polynomials. So, polynomials has two parts, poly and nomials. Right? Poly means many and nomial means terms. So, polynomials has many terms. Now, come to terms. Okay. Suppose 4x is a term. It has two parts. One is 4 and other is x. So 4 is called constant and x is called variable. Now constant, it has fixed value. It has fixed value. And variable, its value goes on changing. Now, example of constants. 5, minus 6, 10, these are constant. Now examples of variables. So if you put the value of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Here you see the value of x is goes on changing. We take an example here for variable. Suppose there is an expression 2x square plus 5. Here, if we put the value of x 0, then the value of expression will change. So 2 into 0 0 plus 5, this is 5. If you put the value of variable x 1, then expression becomes like this. 2 into 1 whole square plus 5. 2 plus 5, that is 7. So, you see, the value of variable goes on changing. You may change its value anytime. That is why we call it variables. And the value of constant is fixed. The numeric value of 5 is 5. If you say anybody to give me 5 pence, he will give you 5. He will give you only 5 pence, not 6 pence. So, its numerical value is fixed. Now, expression, algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, it is the combination. It is the combination of constant and variable connected by some or all operations plus, minus, into, divide is known as algebraic expression. Example, if we take 5x square plus 5x plus 6. This is an expression. How? Here is some variable x. Then 6 is a constant. So, here expression combines both constant and variables. That is why we call x square plus 5x plus 6 algebraic expression. Now I am going to define you polynomial. Polynomial. An algebraic expression in which variable involved has only non-negative integral power is known as polynomial. Example, we take an example 4x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 6. This is a polynomial. So here first term, second term, third term and constant. Okay. So first term has 4. This is called coefficient. So coefficient of x cube is 4. Similarly, coefficient of x square is 2. And coefficient of x is 5. And it is constant. It is also the coefficient of x0. It is also the coefficient of x to the power 0. Now we will learn what is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. So 2, 5, minus 7, 6, etc. are called constant polynomial. Now come to zero polynomial. The coefficient of polynomial, if 0, then it is called zero polynomial. So for example, you can write zero polynomial like this: x into x to the 0 into x to the power 0 into x to the power 0. Its value will 0. Why? Because here 0 is coefficient and the value of x to the power 0 gives 1. So 1 into 0 is equal to 0. So this is the zero polynomial. Now we take one example and try to know whether it is polynomial or not. So expression is x plus 1 by x. We have to find out whether x plus 1 by x is a polynomial or not. So we solve it. X plus x to the power minus 1. Because x is in the denominator, so when you raise it to numerator, there will be minus 1 power. So as per definition of polynomial, we know that variable must have non-negative integral power. But here we find x has negative power, minus 1. So it is not a polynomial. So it is not a polynomial. Now we are going to learn types of polynomial. First one, monomial. Mono means one and nomial means term. So polynomial having only one term is called monomials. Example 2x, 2, 5x, etc. Next one is binomial. Bi means 2 and nomial means term. So polynomials having two terms are known as binomials. Example 5x square plus 2x plus 5x square plus 2x simply. So it has two terms. Okay. So we call it binomial. Now third one, trinomial. Tri means 3 and nomial means term. So trinomial has 3 terms. Example x cube plus 2x square plus 5x. It is a trinomial as it has first, second, third, 3 terms. Now we come to know degree of a polynomial. To know this degree, we take an expression 6x7 plus 2x6 plus 3. This is an expression. Now here we have to find out the highest power of the variable. Here we see x has power 6. If you write 3 in the form 3x to the power 0, here x has power 0. But in the first term, we have power 7. So which one is the most? Highest. Highest power is 7. So degree of this polynomial is 7. So highest power of the variable involved in a polynomial is called degree. Now come to linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Example 4x plus 5. In this polynomial we have variable x and its highest power is 1. So it is called linear polynomial. Next one, it is expressed in general form like this: ax plus b. Now come to quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2, a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Example, 4x square plus 3x plus 5. In this expression, we see the highest power of x is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. Its general form equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Now come to cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Example, 4x cube plus 2x square plus 6x plus 4. It is an expression. So, in this expression, we see the variable x has maximum power 3. So, it is a cubic polynomial. It has maximum 4 terms. It has maximum 4 terms. Clear? And general form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. In this form, we normally represent cubic polynomial.